We'll get there in an hour and a half to draw on your website. What is their reaction?
Yeah, just over here. For sure, that's it.
Ambulance should have come in when I came in.
I've decided to go back and say we'd rather have the default. So the team talked about but they still might not be what happened. So they've gone back into the rooms and officially figure out what's going on. I said, don't do it to you, don't do it to you. Who cares? It'll be another day. Yeah. The officials I said, they've been told always check the board, not the website, and there was a phone call. Well, they looked on the website to see what it was. They've done it. Well, they must be not ready in their room. They'll be going to just get nothing. Yeah, well, they have now, and they realise that they've done the wrong thing. But the officials said all week they told them, do not go to the website anymore. All the official boards and the phone calls still from the administration. Hey? Oh, no, I just made sure that they were making a call. I mean, it's one more game we don't get to see, which is a shame. But geez, I'm all in for it. That's not good for me. Beat him. Great.
Yeah. Ooh. Let them know. Sorry.
Okay.
Let's go, Sasha! Go, Shani!
They haven't done a cheer for the ref.
You'll see me? Yes, see me. John? John? In the box!
Colours. Who's playing? Who's Richard? Is the team's called?
Long Bay, Onehunga.
Long Bay is 2.
I haven't heard a cheer for the ref though. Haven't heard a cheer for the ref.
We can come and support you guys. They come to watch us.
You got the time, right?
Kia ora, everybody who has tuned in live today. We have had some technical issues, however, we are now able to add some thoughts, some commentary to the pictures that we are bringing you live here today on Māori Plus, Māori Active and Whakaata Māori. Ko wai tēnei, e tū mai nei, e pahu no atu ki a koutou. Ka wiri mi pēta tōku unua, no reira, kia koutou katoa, ko tūhono mai nei ki tēnei o ngā papaahotanga a Whakaata Māori, tēnā rā tātou, tēnā rā koutou. Kia koutou katoa, ki ngā mātā waka, ki ngā hue whā, ki te haukainga o tēnei rohe, ki ngā kai whakahaere, ngā kai mahi katoa o tēnei o ngā whakataitai, ngā kai tākoro, ngā kai ako, ko te hāpai o ngā ringa manaaki. Anei tēnei e mihi atu ana ki a koutou katoa, i a koutou mahi, hira, ki te whakatū i tēnei whakataitai, hei mātaki, hei kai, mā tātou, wenei ngā kōhine pitanui te motu, e tākoro ana. Hei aha, hei whakapakiri i o rātou pūkenga, o rātou hauora, hei māngai, o rātou kura. Ioi, ki au ko te mea nui ko te whakawhanaungatanga. Big welcome to everybody back on day 4 here of our live coverage, Māori Plus, Māori Active, Whakaata Māori. And we have this morning, we're about almost 25 minutes into the first game of the day, Long Bay High School against Onehunga, two proud schools from Tāmaki Makaurau, Auckland. And at the moment, tied in a deadlock, 0 goals to 0. My name is Wiremu, and as those who have been tuned in this week, I will be here with us again today as we bring you these games live and exclusive, heading into the penultimate day tomorrow. We see here we have Long Bay High School wearing their teal uniform today with Onehunga and their black. No doubt both of these schools will have experience playing against each other in the local Auckland competition. However, I tēnei rā, kei Taupō nui a tia rātou, e tā korowana, a new experience for them playing outside of their district here in Taupō. Another beautiful day for football, as you can see in these pictures here. Taupō Pukaotika has really turned it on this week, looked after all of the people involved in this week, and fortunately the weather has played its part in providing the spectacle, and what a spectacle it has been this week here, not only for the players and the coaches and all the people involved with each and every team, but also for our spectators, those who have travelled from afar, those who have travelled not as far. Great week, great environment, very enjoyable. Kāri tu atu I tērā te noho tahi, te tautoko I ngā tīma. The vibe here has been first class, very positive, encouraging, supportive. I toi te pai tērā. Nā tātou katoa. Looking back to the games in the previous days, Monday morning we saw Onehunga come up against Otu Moitai on Tauranga and they had a 4-0 loss. Monday afternoon they came up against last year's runner-up Barradine and another loss there. However, Tuesday morning things started well with a 1-1 draw against Queen Margaret College from Wellington. Another tough, close loss, 2-1 to Cashmere on Tuesday afternoon. Inanahira, they had a win yesterday, 3-1 against Napier Girls High School. As we often see in the wiki, teams do often get better as the week goes on. Ka tino waia haere, ngā kaitākaro ki ngā āhuatanga o te whakataetai. Te tai ao, te moi, atu I te whare, as our players get used to tournament football, which is different from the one-off game on a weekend. Tournament football brings different elements into play, being away from home, being away from whānau and friends, a new environment. Perhaps the pillow or the mattress isn't quite what they're used to wherever they are staying. Also different when you're playing 2 games a day, as they did on Monday, as they also did on Tuesday. Ka tino rongo ngā kaitākaro I te mamai, I te ngenge, hiu anō, ka mohe o maramu pū rātou ki ā rātou mai. Meu, aha ko te aha. As we look now to Long Bay, how they have gone so far this week. I te rā tuatahi, Monday morning, a 0-0 draw against St. Peter's, Atui Kimuriti, and then a 2-0 loss to St. Kentigin College. Tuesday morning saw a tough 0-0 draw against Wellington Girls College and a very close 1-0 loss against Rangiruru Girls High School. They had a bye yesterday and now are playing Onehunga High School. So Long Bay hopefully coming in refreshed. They're looking at their scores. I have not yet had the privilege to see them play, however they are very a tough team to score goals against. Still looking for an elusive goal for them, and no doubt they'll be hoping, as will all of the supporters tuned in today, that this will be the day where they will get their goal. A little bit about our kura inaine kahuri ki te āhua, te taira o te kura o ngā kura Onehunga out of Tāmaki Makaurau. Their principal, Tumuaki Shamin Haya, te nākoe. Onehunga High School was founded in 1959 to serve its local community. They have a strong tradition of success inside and outside the classroom, with a steady roll of about 1,000 students. They have capitalised on the size of their school to develop a unique, personalised mentoring system which supports each student to pursue their goals with confidence to ensure they reach their full potential. They have a proud history of success. Many of their families have long histories in the area. They also have second and third generation students, which gives the school a strong sense of tradition and continuity. Belonging to a community where dreams are realised, purpose is discovered, and service to others is a natural occurrence makes Onehunga High School a standout learning experience. Miana ki a koe kei te tūmuaki Shamin, kei ngā ringa ngā waiwai o tērā o ngā kura, te hāpuri, me ngā akonga katoa. Big greetings to everyone involved in our kura there in Onehunga. No doubt you'll be cheering on the team here today as you have been all week. Thank you to everything you guys do to raise this the next generation of leaders here in Aotearoa. As we see both teams here looking to chaki te pōro, manaki te pōro, whakawhiti. Tino kaha he nei tīma e rua ngā maka poto. Both teams here comfortable to keep possession, looking for nice short passes, looking for a teammate. Hiri inaine ki a Long Bay, te tūmaki CJ Healy, tēnā koe CJ. Long Bay is where you will find a world-class staff of expert teachers and highly capable administrators. This means their students grow into fine young men and women, thriving in a supportive culture of respect and achieving highly in NCEA. This achievement is gained from knowing their students, understanding how they teach and learn, and supporting resilience. They had a great year in 2021, setting a new record high for New Zealand scholarships. They have diverse curriculum focus on academia, arts, culture and sport. They focus on holistic education and value extracurricular activities highly. Central to their core values, Central to the college are their core values of care, respect, creativity and community. They have a strategic plan focused on fostering a climate of safety, extraordinary care and connectedness to develop strong, healthy and resilient students, staff and whānau. E miha tuana kia koutou katoa. Te hāpai o Taupō kura. Both schools, very clearly we can see they're proud schools. And like we see with all of our kura here this week, a strong focus on the students, a strong focus on the different aspects of the life of a student. Tērā, ngā hā kina kina, ngā mahi a te kura. Tērā i ngā mea ahurei nei. Mahi toi, era mea katoa. As we see there, unlucky from Onehunga. Just trying to get out of their own territory, their own half on the left hand side. And there your long bay. Unfortunately, just a little bit long, that pass for Long Bay there. Engari, ka paki au ki tērā mahi, a tērā kai tā koroa. I mate ururoia ki te whai i tērā pōro. Aha koa, ka tēnei te kēmu. Tua rima tua ono rānei. I tēnei wiki kotahi, ki te ngana tonu e nei kai tākoro. Ino nei ka huri ngā whakaaro ki ngā kai tautoko o tēnei o ngā kaupapa. Big thank you to all of our sponsors as you see around the ground. Obviously these pictures are brought to you live by Māori Active, Māori Plus, Whakaata Māori. Also we have Caltex, who are a well-known brand in Aotearoa, have been a part of this nation for a long time. Nō reira, mehe mea ko koe tēnā, ki te he inu, tō hoi ho, haere atu ki tētahi o ngā toa, whakaki, tō waka ki te hinu, te pīni hini, whakaki hoki, tō tēnana ki ngā kai I roto I ngā toa. Thank you to Caltex for everything that they do to support. Another sponsor there we see in the background, Bailey's Real Estate. They have a family legacy that drives their market-leading brand. They were founded in 1973. And for all your property needs, whether you are buying or selling, go check out your local Bailey's office and they will be able to help you. Another cool initiative, he mea hou tēnei ki hou o tira ki a tātou katoa. Nā 2 degrees tērei kaupapa I kawe, kei te kawe tonu engari, ko te aronga, ki te tautoko I ngā kōhine, I ngā kotiro, turo e tēnei o ngā motu. 2 degrees have an awesome initiative where they have started a kaupapa called Support Her Club. Their why, sport, it's more than just a game. It builds confidence, resilience, lifelong skills and friendships. So if you go to the 2 Degrees website, there's information 2degrees.nz, a lot of information there, and essentially what this kaupapa is about is based on the statistics. Females are twice as likely to leave sport early, and this initiative is trying to keep our kōhine in sport, as we know that sport is so much more than a game. It teaches good life values for our rangatahi. So thank you to 2 Degrees. Apollo Projects, these guys, Tino Krewa, these are the guys that work on big projects, commercial projects. So go check them out if that is something that you need those expertise. They are there, they are available. And also New Zealand Carbon Farming, who have planted over 9.5 million trees in 2023 alone. They have over 15 million native trees. And also, thank you so much for all of your support, mā tēnei kaupapa. Ei kore ko koutou. We wind down here. End of the first half, still scoreless. However, that's enough from the Kaiwa Wao. I nāna ko te wā whakatā. Haere ki te tiki I tētahi kapu tea. Go and get a cup of tea, quick bite to eat, and we'll see you back here shortly for the start of the second half.
Ariki ki whakaata Māori me Māori Plus.
At Apollo Projects, we create better outcomes because we never make any assumptions. Like this sports facility. The client sent out their brief. And when it came to the 4 submissions, we impressed the client with a proposal that went over and above. Because we'd done things differently. We'd pulled together a team of experts, looked around the world for inspiration, and exceeded the client brief. We even brought it in on budget by reducing fees and prioritising function over form. At Apollo, we're more innovative, create specialist project teams, deliver on our promises, and build to the budget. Apollo Projects. No assumptions, better outcomes.
This isn't an ad about four-wheel drives. It's about knowing the place, as well as the locals.
You found the place. That's a good start. Built by my great-grandfather 20 years ago.
And go! Just fill up at a participating Caltex, stack your pump discounts, and you could collect more savings on your next visit. Oh, there's another one. Getting quite good at this. Filling and saving. Feels good.
The forest should never have been taken off this steep hill country that's eroding, and it makes absolute sense to afforest those hills. What we're doing here is using the exotics to help that process get established. We're looking at a managed transition process where those pines are progressively thinned as the native understory establishes. We're trying to do several things here. Soak up carbon, establish native forest, and we're trying to improve biodiversity. You're achieving an awful lot with one program of activity.
Get the Māori Plus app. Download now on Google Play or the App Store with exclusive viewings and 100% ad-free.
Quite like top tier.
Watch us anywhere, anytime. Make Māori Plus your mate and stream now.
Girls are twice as likely to drop out of sport. That's why 2 Degrees is committed to fighting for fair for women and girls in sport at every level. Get your Support Her merch and keep her in the game.
Nei mai hoki mai e tiwi. Anei, kua tae ki te wahanga tūru o tēnei Kēmu.
So it's 0-0, guys. So,
Kua kororo. Nā kai a koki ngā tīma. Kua wānanga. Hea te rautaki hei whai. I tēnei wāhanga tuarua. Ko te manakoia i whai wā koutou. Ki te kapu tea. We just see a bit of a discussion going on here from the coach with Long Bay and the referee. Potentially about throw-ins by the looks. Just making sure there's clear understanding and a mutual understanding here. Welcome back everybody to the second half of our first live fixture here today. Long Bay and Onehunga, both tūkura from Auckland. First half, very even contest. No team yet able to break the deadlock, and we have our current score as we see the second half kick off at 0 goals to 0. Strong challenge, Wanganui defeater. Ori te ki te wāhanga tuatahi, te rautaki o ēnei tīma erua, te makapoto, te pupuri, te pōro. E rautaki tēnā puta no i te ao pui whana, te ao whana puikiri, very common strategy used around the globe. Nice short passes, keeping possession of the football. Me he mea, ko koe tēnā ki te kāinga, ki tāmaki makaurau, e whakāro ana, ki te haramai, ki Taupō nei, anei tō tohu, haramai, mā taki, tautoko ki enei kōhine, he rānoa pōpō, ki te tākoro, ka areheroa te tawhiti, I tāmaki ki a Taupō. Kāre ki a Celtics whakaki ki tō ake waka. If you are sitting in Auckland watching this game, perhaps also sitting on the fence about whether to come to Taupō and watch, this is your sign. Come down, come check out the games live. Not a long drive, just over 3 hours, give or take depending on traffic. However, lots more games to come. Full day of action today and tomorrow. So if that is you potentially in Auckland and you want to come check it out, no mai haramai, no mai ki Taupō. You won't regret it.
Okay.
Lots to do here in Taupō. For those who fancy themselves as he kai, he hau pōro, a bit of a golfer, te rā mea rongo nui te wero, me he mea kataia, te tangata, te patu, te pōro, ki tērā o ngā papa, te haki, I Wanganui, te roto nui, tēnei whenua. As we know, there's the famous hole-in-one golf challenge here in Taupō. If you fancy yourself, always a bit of excitement there. For those after a bit of a drive, especially for these players, we have lots of spa options, the Brett's thermal baths, natural baths, we have the lake itself. Been hearing rumours, some of the players have obviously gone and jumped in the lake after their games and have been to rejuvenate, rehabilitate the legs, the body, the tinana, refresh. Whakapicking a wairu a tēnā, e picking a oranga no hoki. Great vibe here in Taupō this week. So if it is you, no mai hara mai. If not, then this is the next best thing. Tune in to Māori Plus, Māori Active, here on Whakaata Māori. And we will do our best to make you feel like you are here. Kei konei, koe, tata ki te whira, ka rongo, I ngā tutukinga, o tēnā ka rongo, I ngā umere, te karanga, I a rutu, I a kiki, I a oma. Anō nei, kei konei koe. Nice skills there from Onehunga, right hand side. Well delivered, also well cleared in the box. Really are going toe for toe. At this moment, nothing can separate our two teams. He whanakoko I nai nei, I te taha matau. Ko te whainga ia, ka hono ki ona hoa. There it is! Is it not? To be or not to be? Koera te pātai. Looks to be... First sight, the ball travelled from the corner into the goal. However, the Aiki Te Kaiwa, while he is awarded a penalty here to Onehunga. Nō reira, ka mate kāinga tahi, ka ora kāinga rua. Another opportunity here for Onehunga to potentially go into the lead as it's taken. Bottom left corner. Tino pai te rā mahi. Although the keeper made the right decision, big dive down to her right. The striker there from Onehunga buried the ball into her left hand side of the goal. And we see now Onehunga continue their improvement throughout this week, leading Long Bay 1-0. Ioi, roa. Ki te tae atu ki te mutunga o tēnei kēmu. E toru tukau mā toru, ngā miniti e toi ana, toru tukau mā rua. Ka pangarau, ka te pai, ioi. Wai ka hua, wai ka tohu. Nei, a long bait. I te taha maui. Alright, tohe tēnā. Handball, we heard that one loud and clear. I whakarongo hoki te kai wawao. Kura te whainga o tēnei porotehi. Kupu for our viewers at home, that was a indirect free kick, which we call whana whiwhi. Whiwhi being received, whana is to kick. So the word indirect free kick, which means that it has to be passed to another player before a goal can be scored. A way to say that, I roto I te reo Māori, is whana whiwhi. I te marame tū mai nei, ka tūhoki mai, tērā kaupapa, te wiki o te reo Māori. Kua rima te koutou I nai nei, tēnā kaupapa I tū. "17 days, 1 hour, 58 minutes and 46 seconds until we celebrate Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori, Māori Language Week here in Aotearoa, one of our official languages here in Aotearoa. And we urge, as we do every year, everyone to try and use a little bit of Te Reo Māori in their everyday lives, whatever you are able to do, whatever you feel comfortable with. Give it a go, karawhiua. Quite a cool concept this year. It's called a pūtahi mahara, a time capsule. I'm sure our viewers at home will be familiar with the concept of a time capsule. And this year, one of the themes, the whakaaro, nā te tīma, o te tīma, te hāpai o te wiki o te reo Māori. As we see Long Bay here, what's the referee's call? Looks like a penalty. Engari kei te tautohe tohe, te kaikati uhanga. Bit of debate, bit of discussion going on. However, the referee is standing here on the penalty spot. He has awarded a penalty to Long Bay, who will be seeking to hopefully bring this game back to 1 goal each. However, in the way we have our kaikati uhanga, the goalkeeper here for Onehunga, who no doubt will be doing everything she can to thwart this up and coming impending penalty kick. What do you think, e te whānau, sitting at home? You think it's going to be a goal? Ka re rānei. If you're sitting there with a friend or a member of your whānau, say to the other person what you think it's going to be. Stick to it. Stick to your guns, no doubt. Mehe mea kei te tautoko koe. I a Long Bay, ko tō whakaro ai, ka kōrā. Mehe mea kei te tautoko koe I Onehunga. Oh, kare kore kao, kare kau. It might be split between the supporters of Long Bay and Onehunga. However, mehe mea kei konei koe ki te mātaki, te poi whana. Kare koe I te tino rata, ki te toa. However, if you're neutral perhaps, kei te noho. Tai apa koe, sitting on the fence, you decide what you think's going to happen. Penalty shootouts often do favour the goalkeeper. A lot of expectation on the kicker, the penalty taker to score. However, from experience, for those who have been in this position, it is not an easy task. So, let's see what is going to unfold here live. Just making sure the referee's making sure the ball is on the spot. Ki te wāhi tika. Saying to the players, stay outside of the box until the ball is kicked. Here we go. Beautiful left-hand side, similar to the penalty we saw from Onehunga. This one a little bit higher, just off the ground. However, we do see 1-1. Whoever was right in your household or wherever you are watching this game, tēnā koe, well done to you. If you did not think that was going to go in, he te pai, there's still more time. There still may be more goals ahead of us. As we see 1-1 now between Long Bay and Onehunga. As I was speaking about just before that unfolded, one of the kaupapa for Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori tēnei tau is a pūtahi mahara, a time capsule. However, it is a digital time capsule where people are able to record in some way, shape or form a message which will then go into ka puta ki ngā kapua, to the cloud, to wherever it is these digital things are stored these days, and it will not be opened until 2075. So mehe mea kei te tika tāku hāngaro. "50 years, mehe mea kei te tika aku pāngaro. Ia waka rangirua I rā kupu e rua. Te pāngaro, te hangaro, he anō. 50 years time, they will open this digital time capsule, this pūtahi mahara. And at that time, depending on what you've done, you could, for the younger ones of us, send a message to yourself about what your life is like, perhaps what your journey with Te Ao Māori has been like, Te Reo Māori, and perhaps what you commit to doing going forward. For some of us, it could be a message to your tamariki, to your children, to your mokopuna, or to your grandkids to say whatever you want to say. It's up to you. There are some prompts if you do go to reomaori.co.nz, and things like, what does Te Reo Māori mean to you? Perhaps you might want to record a song, record something that your kids or your mokopuna, your grandkids can listen to when they grow up. Perhaps you want to leave something for the generations to follow, and that can be something you can do as part of Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori. Some ideas, kokoro, etahi ki au. Some people have ideas of doing a message and sharing what life is like at the moment here in Aotearoa, so that the people, their future generations, get an idea. Some people might talk about what it has been like growing up here in Aotearoa and the impact that perhaps Te Reo Māori has had on them, what the future of our country looks like, all these things. Kei ia tangata te tikanga. But that's quite a cool initiative if you do have a desire to go and be a part of that initiative. Head along to reomāori.co.nz and you can partake and leave something, a thought, a kōrero, some words for the generations to follow. Awesome way of connecting us now with those that are to come. Awesome way to tautoko tēnei kaupapa o Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori. And a big mihi to all of you, all of the people out there who are on your Te Reo Māori journey. O heo pai tēnei, hare tērā i te mahi māma, mahi ua ki tēnā, engari, o te tikanga ka u, he haerenga, hutunga kore, me mauroa, me manawa titi. It's a challenging journey in lots of aspects, so to all of you that are on your journey, that do incorporate Te Reo Māori in your everyday life, e mihi ana ki a koutou. Mea o mahi, as we see, Onehunga have got one back. Yes, they have. Nice build-up play. Mama te kite, I te hari, I te koa. They are happy, they are elated, and they have got one back. Nice little play, nice build-up play down the right-hand side. O te rohe, few of the penalty area, and the ball just lobbed up over the goalkeeper there of Long Bay. Onehunga 2, Long Bay 1. Me he mea, ko hono ki e koe, I ngā rā o pahure ake nei. Ko rongo ke hoki koe I tēnei kōrero. Engari, I roto I tēnei wiki, I a kēmu, kua kōrā tētahi tīma I ngā miniti whakamutunga, ngā miniti e rima, o ia o tētahi o ngā wāhanga o te kēmu. We see a corner here, coming in from the left-hand side from Onehunga in the box, get someone, well defended there. Te tainu wā, mea ka whiu te tinana, te katoa tō tinana, ki te pōro ka tutuki, heoi, I tauma wāra. Nā te kai kati uhanga ke, te mana. We've been doing a bit of analysis this week at Te Whānau, and the theory that was put out on Monday morning it is a well-known theory throughout the globe in terms of football. Often we see goals scored in the last 5 minutes of each half, and so far we have brought this week over 10 games live and exclusive here on Māori Plus, and every game that has happened we have seen a goal scored in the last 5 minutes of either the first half or the second half. Reira, mehe mea, ko koe tēnā ki te kāinga, e mātaki-taki ana whakarohia. Ko mātaki, kei te mātaki tonu, koutou I tēnei kēmu, e awa whakaro. Ka kōra, hei taua wā, kāre rānei. Have a bit of a think. You've been here watching this game. Have a think if you do think.
Ooh.
You just see there the ball just catching one of our players off guard there. If you do think, however, there will be a goal in the last 5 minutes, I will let you know my thoughts as we get closer to the time. Had a pretty good strike rate this week. Most of the games been fortunate enough to have made the correct prediction. However, there's certainly been a game or two where my predictions were incorrect, and that's kei te pai e te whānau, pai hinga pai tū. No doubt for our supporters of Long Bay, you will be hoping there is a goal. Perhaps our supporters of Onehunga will be at the other end of the spectrum, happy with how the score is, hoping that it remains as it is now, or perhaps can Onehunga get another goal to give them a 2-goal advantage. Just have a little bit of a break here at Te Whānau. Just having one of our players being looked after by the medical team here. From what I can see, everything looks all good. Just making sure that play can continue shortly, and it looks like that will happen imminently. E tahi wā ka pēnā e Te Whānau, every contact sport has an element of this. Engari, ko te mea nui ka whakatū, ka tū I te kēmu, ka haere ki te manaaki, te kaitākoro. Just making sure everyone's okay. As we head into the last 10 or so minutes, shortly I'll give my thoughts whether there will or will not be another game. And hopefully you at home or at mahi He roto i te motoka, wherever you are, we'll be doing the same. Wa whakatau, te kaiwa wao, haere tonu te kēmu. Nice sportsmanship there, as we see. Back to action. Kare te tino mōheo mehe mea, ka tae e koutou te rongo i ngā waiata. Engari, kei konei, anō nei he pāti. Haruru ana te whenua. Just have some music here in the background. Not sure if you can hear that at home. However, got a bit of a carnival atmosphere here. Music playing, beautiful day. Sitting here watching football. Where else would you rather be? Kare kore, I kaka te katoa, te nuinga rānei o tātou ki te rā. Hokinga mai, a raumati, hene raumati. Ko pā te makariri. I runga i a tātou. I oi. Tēnei wāhanga. O te tau. Hoki mai a tamanui. E tai wā. Te wā o te takurua. Te pātai. E whiu atu. Kei a koe tamanui. Engari. A tāhua hoki tērā wāhanga o te tau. For those of us, like myself, who enjoy getting outside, we'll be looking forward to, as we approach warmer days, longer days, more sunlight. It's a great ball into the box. Unlucky there from Long Bay. What a cross. What an effort. Unfortunately, Lady Luck on the side of Onehunga on that occasion. Here anō, ke te hīkaka tēnei, tērā kanga mai. Puta ki waho. Ika. Aare ki tātai. Kauhoi I ngā awa. Te tai whaenga ia ka piki I e tai oku maunga. Whatever you enjoy doing over summer. Awesome if we are able to get outside and move and do something. Important to look after our health, our hauora, our well-being. Tērā te paanga, tētahi paanga o te rangatahitanga. Ia rā, ka pērā rātou. Pērā hoki I ngā tamariki. Ka puta I te whare, ki te kura, ka oma ka tātoro. Engari, anei toru tērā, e rā momo tani whaia ki etahi. Ana, I papa. Kemu. Ipurangi. As we see another chance here for Long Bay. Tino kahi tērā taha matau. Nice work again from the right hand side. Nice cross into the box and they still go. Solid play from both teams. Okay, Te Whānau, we are approaching the last 5 minutes. As I promised, I will give my prediction. I do think there will be another goal in this last 5 minutes of this game. Yaha o Whakaaro, what do you think? Will there or will there not be one more goal? Waikahua, Waikato. Who knows? Who can say? All we can do is tikui ngā karakia, tikui ngā whakaaro ki nei kai tākoro. Send our positive thoughts to the players. However, i te mutunga iho o te rā, kei a rātou ke te mana. However, they are the only ones that are able to score a goal. Ko tā tātou, e tautoko, e mātaki. That's what we do. We support, we watch. Another cross here from the right. Well saved there. Thought that one was actually going in. Mera wake. Matunia. Te kaikati uhanga. Tōna ke ringa. E whakahaumaru. Tōna ke kapa. Tēnei wā.
Should be.
ia tau, ka tū tēnei kaupapa. Thank you to everyone who has been involved as this clock winds down now. Ki ngā kai tākaro, kai wawao referees, players, coaches, to our kura, to everyone who helps out behind the scenes. Very, very good game here today. I have been proven, by the looks of things, incorrect. I he oku whakaro, there was, or is not, has not yet been a goal in the last 5 minutes for, I think it's the second time this tournament this week. That has not occurred. However, there's still a little bit of time to go on the clock. Mea ko koe tērā ki te kāinga. E whakapono ana ki te kōra. Ai tuku I tētahi karakia. As we see Long Bay still probing, still trying. Right until the last moment to try and get back to this game 2-2. We have had a couple of injury breaks, which is why the clock is going over. As we see now Long Bay, Onehunga now down their right hand side. E nei kai tākoro katoa. Te he mo tonu atu. Keep going until the very last minute.
No time.
Not long to go now e tiwi. Mo te hemo, mo te hemo tonu atu. Engari, e mihi nui kia koutou, kua tū hono mai nei. Thank you to everyone who has tuned in here live on Whakaata Māori. Lots more action to come as the tournament continues, the coverage continues here live on Māori Active. Brought to you by Whakaata Māori, along with our sponsors, Caltex, Bailey's Real Estate, New Zealand Carbon Farming, Apollo Projects, and 2 Degrees. Thank you so much for all you do to Taupō I tēnei kaupapa. O ngaro pia, te wāti o te kaiwawao. Anei e te whānau. Here we have it. A culmination of a lot of hard work for these girls has resulted in Onehunga 2 goals, 2-1. Victorious over Long Bay. Engari, what a game. Exciting, had everything. Drama. And to all of you at home, come back. There'll be a game on here, 11 AM shortly. Mā te wā.
Ariki ki Whakaata Māori me Māori Plus.
At Apollo Projects, we create better outcomes because we never make any assumptions. Like this sports facility. The client sent out their brief. And when it came to the 4 submissions, we impressed the client with a proposal that went over and above. Because we'd done things differently. We'd pulled together a team of experts, looked around the world for inspiration, and exceeded the client brief. We even brought it in on budget by reducing fees and prioritising function over form. At Apollo, we're more innovative, create specialist project teams, deliver on our promises, and build to the budget. Apollo Projects. No assumptions, better outcomes.
This isn't an ad about four-wheel drives. It's about knowing the place, as well as the locals.
You found the place. That's a good start. Built by my great-grandfather 20 years ago.
And go! Just fill up at a participating Caltex, stack your pump discounts, and you could collect more savings on your next visit. Oh, there's another one. Getting quite good at this. Filling and saving. Feels good.
The forest should never have been taken off this steep hill country that's eroding, and it makes absolute sense to afforest those hills. What we're doing here is using the exotics to help that process get established. We're looking at a managed transition process where those pines are progressively thinned as the native understory establishes. We're trying to do several things here. Soak up carbon, establish native forest, and we're trying to improve biodiversity. You're achieving an awful lot with one program of activity.
Get the Māori Plus app. Download now on Google Play or the App Store with exclusive viewings and 100% ad-free.
Quite like top tier.
Watch us anywhere, anytime. Make Māori Plus your mate and stream now.
Girls are twice as likely to drop out of sport. That's why 2 Degrees is committed to fighting for fair for women and girls in sport at every level. Get your Support Her merch and keep her in the game.
First to the ball now, first to the ball. And again. And again. Yes. Yes. Get tight. Get tight, Taupō. Tight to the player. Yes. Well done, keeper! Get the pass is going, Taupō. Pass is going. That's a bit over the top, isn't it? Maintain some decorum, pal. Goodness me. Oh, what was that?
Good girl. Get tight. Get tight. Watch your middle.
Face the ball, face the ball.
Keep your marking, Oaks. Keep your marking.
Watch the ball, watch the ball. Go, go, go! Get tight! Get tight, Taupō! Go, go! Get tight to the player, get tight to the player. on, keeper. Look how far back they are. Control. Unlucky. Chase it. Watch the ball.
First with the ball now. First with the ball. Attacking the ball. Oh, come on. Stay solid. Good, good. Very active. Keep it going. Keep it going. Fine, fine. Come on, on! Few passes, let's go! Incoming, incoming, come on! Out!
It's all right, Automote. Keep working. Keep working. Pick up your player. Pick up your player now. 10. Yes. Unlucky, unlucky. Don't worry.
Get pushing out!
Turn around, face the ball. Still need to work hard. Come on, step up.
Marking! Marking out!
Watch the ball. First to the ball. It's simple as that. Well done, Stella! Send up! Unlucky, very good, very good.
Keep going, Noah! Keep going! Keep going, Noah!
Get to the ball. Well played, Doug. Well played. Come on, well played.
First to the ball, come on. Step up. First to the ball now. Well done, lads. Nice. Yeah. Time. Watch the ball, watch the ball! Keep going up, keep going up! Get passing going, get passing going. Get passing going. Come on, girls.
Take it to the box. Take it to the box. Time. Have a shot. Time. Stay strong now! Otomokai, stay strong!
14! It's going to 14!
Yes, yes, well done. Now pick up your player, pick up your player. Get tight.
What's the back pass?
No,
Go to
no
10.
space in between you and the player.
Number 10.
Skylar!
Oh. Face the ball, face the ball. One of you!
Yeah!
Well done. Otomotai, pick up your player. It shouldn't be 3 players.
In the middle there.
Tight.
10.
Oh, come on. Get in the box! Get that ball in the box! Go!
Ariki, ki whakaata Māori, me Māori Plus.
At Apollo Projects, we create better outcomes because we never make any assumptions. Like this sports facility. The client sent out their brief. And when it came to the 4 submissions, we impressed the client with a proposal that went over and above. Because we'd done things differently. We'd pulled together a team of experts, looked around the world for inspiration, and exceeded the client brief. We even brought it in on budget by reducing fees and prioritising function over form. At Apollo, we're more innovative, create specialist project teams, deliver on our promises, and build to the budget. Apollo Projects. No assumptions, better outcomes.
This isn't an ad about four-wheel drives. It's about knowing the place, as well as the locals.
You found the place. That's a good start. Built by my great-grandfather 20 years ago.
And go! Just fill up at a participating Caltex, stack your pump discounts, and you could collect more savings on your next visit. Oh, there's another one. Getting quite good at this. Filling and saving. Feels good.
The forest should never have been taken off this steep hill country that's eroding, and it makes absolute sense to afforest those hills. What we're doing here is using the exotics to help that process get established. We're looking at a managed transition process where those pines are progressively thinned as the native understory establishes. We're trying to do several things here. Soak up carbon, establish native forest, and we're trying to improve biodiversity. You're achieving an awful lot with one program of activity.
Get the Māori Plus app. Download now on Google Play or the App Store with exclusive viewings and 100% ad-free.
Quite like top tier.
Watch us anywhere, anytime. Make Māori Plus your mate and stream now.
Girls are twice as likely to drop out of sport. That's why 2 Degrees is committed to fighting for fair for women and girls in sport at every level. Get your Support Her merch and keep her in the game.
Good result so far, is it?
Yes, they're working hard. They're good.
What's the point of that?
It's going in the midfield.
First to the ball, Otomotai. First to the ball.
They're hit with the side foot.
Oh! Get to the box. Get to the box. Good try, Maya. Good try. Unlucky. Stay there. Face the ball. First to the ball, Otomotai. Come on.
Yeah.
Pick up your player. Pick up your player. First to the ball, Otomotai. Turn around, face the ball.
Marking the players, guys. Marking the players.
First to the ball, Otomotai. Hey, plenty of work to do. Plenty of work to do.
Come on, girls. Come on,
Now win this ball quickly. Get tight. Get tight. Get tight.
Number 10.
That's okay. That's okay. Get tight.
Unlucky, unlucky. Face the ball. First to the ball, Otomotai. Well done, Ledge. It's all right, no problem. Face the ball.
Have a look. Next time. Have a look.
Well done, Otomotai. Well done. Great football, girls. Great football. First to the ball, Otomotai. Get on. Here we are. Well done, Ledge. Same again, on. Let's go.
subbing you, Lids. He's subbing you. Face the ball, face the ball. Pick up your player. First to the ball, Tomotai, first to the ball. Fine.
Get in the box, Elia. Under the bar, Jed. Under the bar. Go for it. You got it. Running! Not the Mokai, running! Ball under the bar. Yes! Yes! Get in there! Come on!
It's a good shot.
Come on, Waikato!
Box, Elliot.
Watch the ball. Yes. Time. Come on, Taupō. Still time for one more. Come on, come on. Get that ball in the box. Let's go. Lucky, well done, girls. Back to your positions, come on. Come on, girls. Plenty of work to be done, come on. Pass to the ball, all. Elliot.
Ooh.
Face the ball. Short.
Ki whakaata Māori, me Māori Plus.
At Apollo Projects, we create better outcomes because we never make any assumptions. Like this sports facility. The client sent out their brief. And when it came to the 4 submissions, we impressed the client with a proposal that went over and above. Because we'd done things differently. We'd pulled together a team of experts, looked around the world for inspiration, and exceeded the client brief. We even brought it in on budget by reducing fees and prioritising function over form. At Apollo, we're more innovative, create specialist project teams, deliver on our promises, and build to the budget. Apollo Projects. No assumptions, better outcomes.
This isn't an ad about four-wheel drives. It's about knowing the place, as well as the locals.
You found the place. That's a good start. Built by my great-grandfather 20 years ago.
And go! Just fill up at a participating Caltex, stack your pump discounts, and you could collect more savings on your next visit. Oh, there's another one. Getting quite good at this. Filling and saving. Feels good.
The forest should never have been taken off this steep hill country that's eroding, and it makes absolute sense to afforest those hills. What we're doing here is using the exotics to help that process get established. We're looking at a managed transition process where those pines are progressively thinned as the native understory establishes. We're trying to do several things here. Soak up carbon, establish native forest, and we're trying to improve biodiversity. You're achieving an awful lot with one program of activity.
Get the Māori Plus app. Download now on Google Play or the App Store with exclusive viewings and 100% ad-free.
Quite like top tier.
Watch us anywhere, anytime. Make Māori Plus your mate and stream now.
Ariki ki whakaata Māori me Māori Plus.
At Apollo Projects, we create better outcomes because we never make any assumptions. Like this sports facility. The client sent out their brief. And when it came to the 4 submissions, we impressed the client with a proposal that went over and above. Because we'd done things differently. We'd pulled together a team of experts, looked around the world for inspiration, and exceeded the client brief. We even brought it in on budget by reducing fees and prioritising function over form. At Apollo, we're more innovative, create specialist project teams, deliver on our promises, and build to the budget. Apollo Projects. No assumptions, better outcomes.
This isn't an ad about four-wheel drives. It's about knowing the place, as well as the locals.
You found the place. That's a good start. Built by my great-grandfather 20 years ago.
And go! Just fill up at a participating Caltex, stack your pump discounts, and you could collect more savings on your next visit. Oh, there's another one. Getting quite good at this. Filling and saving. Feels good.
The forest should never have been taken off this steep hill country that's eroding, and it makes absolute sense to afforest those hills. What we're doing here is using the exotics to help that process get established. We're looking at a managed transition process where those pines are progressively thinned as the native understory establishes. We're trying to do several things here. Soak up carbon, establish native forest, and we're trying to improve biodiversity. You're achieving an awful lot with one program of activity.
Get the Māori Plus app. Download now on Google Play or the App Store with exclusive viewings and 100% ad-free.
Quite like top tier.
Watch us anywhere, anytime. Make Māori Plus your mate and stream now.